Money, 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 money. Monday. Money, 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 money. Friday. Hello, world. I'm Timolin Langin coming to you on a Friday instead of a Monday from Los Angeles. And I am so happy you are with me today. And if you have been listening to the news, you are going to understand why I am in my feelings today, y'all. Check this out. UCLA, USC, Stanford, Yale, Georgetown, and other elite universities have been allegedly involved in a massive cheating scandal. Dozens of wealthy parents, like celebrities, fashion designers, and high-powered business executives, have allegedly been accused of falsifying records, cheating on college admission exams, pretending their children are involved in athletic programs, and paying $100,000, $200,000 in bribes, and even more. In other words, these families bought their children's entry into these elite universities. Their children attended those schools based on entitlement, not merit. Behaviors like these steal opportunities from less affluent children who work hard, who earn the grade, and played the actual sport. These students clearly should have been admitted to the schools and were not. I am in my feelings about this because I actually graduated from UCLA, and I know how I struggled as a student to do all the things that my parents and that society told me to do in order to be successful. Go to school, get good grades, work hard, be honest, tell the truth. And so it's really difficult for me to believe that this travesty has occurred in 2019. And it's really causing me to wonder, have I simply been told a bill of baloney? Let's be clear. I am not knocking wealthy people. I'm all about increasing financial success. That's why I do this show. That's why I do these programs, because I want us as working people to have good success. But these people, these folks, these children had the best tutors, the best educational experiences and exposure. They had plenty of help with tutors, etc. So this really makes me sad, and it makes me angry. And I guess I'm a little naive that I never thought something like this would happen, and especially in this way at these elite schools. These folks are the first to talk about merit, earning your way. And yes, I am aware of legacy programs. I am aware of the leg up programs, which are extremely and absolutely valid and needed in my opinion. However, that has nothing to do with the extreme sense of entitlement we are witnessing here when we look at the behavior of these parents and these institutions. It reeks of entitlement at its highest level. Again, I'm all about wealth building in the traditional sense, good work ethic, strategic planning, and coming from a place of good morals and good ethics and good values. I am all about that. Everyone, including us as working people, should live the life of our dreams. We should live like a millionaire on our budget. I was going to do a LeBron James story today where I was going to talk about his I Promise school and what impact that has had on what we can learn from that, financially speaking. But today I feel like a promise has been broken to us, the working people who believed in this whole idea of a level playing field, and that everyone has the same opportunities and the same access. If you just work hard, you can achieve your goals. I don't want to leave you guys on a sour note, but I'm going to go on and wrap this up. So let's talk about our savings challenge. How are you doing, guys? Are you putting away your nickels, your pennies, your dimes, your quarters? putting them into a piggy bank and saving them. In about a week or two, keep saving. Don't do anything. Just keep saving. Do not count yet. In about a week or two, we will count our coins, and I'll tell you when, probably on the next episode. And then we will come together and just compare notes. So thank you all for joining me. I hope you're enjoying the videos. If not, let me know that too. Please write to me, share the videos, let me know how I can improve. If you've got a subject matter you'd like me to cover, I'd be happy to do so. And thank you guys for letting me come into your place. I'll continue to practice and get better at this. But I do think the information that I'm sharing will really help you. It has helped me tremendously. And just remember always, financial success is not a gift. It's a habit.